Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by signing into Booking with your account credentials and navigating straight to bookings. Once there, pick the exact reservation tied to the review you want to change. This ensures you edit the correct entry. Make sure you can see the review section. It will say Write Review or Edit Review depending on status. If you wrote the review recently, you may need to wait for the confirmation window to appear. Once located, click Edit to start modifying content immediately. Now you edit the rating and text. Change star values and rewrite the review to reflect your updated experience, explaining why you changed it. Once done, manage attachments, add or remove photos, ensuring file size and dimensions meet Booking's limits. Make sure to remove any personal or defamatory statements. Booking moderates content. You might need to save progress and preview before submission. When satisfied, hit Save or Submit. This replaces the prior review and triggers moderation on Booking's side. Finalize by submitting the edited review and watch for the on-screen confirmation or an email that confirms Booking received your change. If the platform blocks edits, note why. Some bookings permit edits only within a set time frame or after moderation. Once done, monitor the live review. It can take time to appear. If something goes wrong, clear your browser cache, try another device or browser, and if necessary, contact Booking support with Reservation ID for assistance. That resolves most stubborn issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.